Once, while crossing a river, the Buddha encountered a large group of hungry Pretas. He asked them, "What karma caused you to be reborn in such suffering?" The Pretas replied, "In our past lives we encountered the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha, but we neither believed in them nor respect them. We failed to create merit, discouraged others from doing good, mocked virtuous actions, and rejoiced in wrongdoing. Because of these actions we were born as Pretas." The Buddha then asked, "How long have you suffered in this realm?" They answered, "For 70,000 years." "What have you eaten during that time?" asketh Buddha. "Nothing," they replied. "Whenever we found water, it either vanished or we were prevented from reaching it. Therefore we should read more of these Buddhist scriptures, which can bring us great benefit. However, in today's society, many people are not interested in the Buddha's wisdom. Instead, they are obsessed with texts filled with fabricated thoughts that foster their greed and hatred. This is due to their karmic effects.